This is Chandrasekhar, astrologer. In continuation of my moon prediction, people are asking Parihara for getting better results of moon, which I am going to reveal the first Parihara now. Please note it down carefully. People should take raw rice and should take in a plastic cover and place it before the pillow. They should do this for 9 consecutive days. They should adjust the days accordingly. The full moon would be on the ninth day. On the full moon day, they should cook the rice and should discard the rice over the head by seeing the full moon and should pray to the moon god. By doing this, they will get excellent results for moon. Thank you.